Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I have my Project Life Week 2 here for you, working with the Studio Calico Documenter kit. I always date the back of my photos and I like to put them in chronological order from left to right, left page down and then right page down. I'm looking at the 4x6 cards to see which cards I'm going to use. I rarely have places to use 4x6 cards because I usually have photos there, so I'm glad I get to use some of those cards. Now I'm looking through the 3x4 cards to fill in the other spaces. I looked through it once and realized I'm still short a couple of cards, so I'm going to try to find a couple more to put in there. One thing about these cards, it's so nice because it has sayings and it also has images that you can put into your Project Life kit. Into your Project Life album. Now I'm going to work on the left side of the page, and I looked through the letter stickers that came with the kit, and they don't have numbers on that blue sticker sheet, so I use a Felicity Jane kit with the yellow, and I use the number 02 to indicate that it's week 2. You see here that I got a label. These are from the Silhouette Print and Cut. I purchased these labels on the Studio Calico website. I wrote on that pink label and then decided to discard that and wrote on a blue one instead. And I wrote, we put Uni and Kaya's bed right next to each other so that Kaya would start sleeping in her own bed. So this is a picture at night, so it's dark and I'm okay with that. I just wanted to show that they are right next to each other. The next picture is of the playroom. We dumped all the toys into the middle of the playroom to organize and purge. We have so many toys because the age gap between my kids are great. I have a 5-year-old up to a 12-year-old. So we wanted to go through and get rid of some of those and donate the ones that we could donate. And I wrote on this card, we dumped all the toys into a big pile so we could organize and purge. There are so many toys that the kids have outgrown. It's crazy. Plus, I want the kids to get into the habit of cleaning and purging. And then I used the blue letter stickers and I wrote clean on that bottom portion where it says notes of that card. Yeah, I'm a little bit, I like to have things like lined up, so I make sure that it all fits on there. And I put clean. And then I date stamped the rest. That's my daughter in a princess costume. She loves dressing up and thinks she's a princess as well. And on the 4x6 card that says the best feeling, I wrote, I love watching the interaction between Uni and Kaya through the video monitor. Uni is such a great big brother to her. He's helping her get over her fear of sleeping in her own bed. And the next picture right next to it is a screenshot that I took from the video monitor that we have. I can hear them laughing and joking and fussing together, and it's adorable to see that they get along so well. So I take the January chipboard and I put it into the middle of the heart. Then I decide I'm going to work on the second page. I date stamp the first picture, which is my daughter under a large shell at the mall. And then I date the Grinch and the YouTube screenshot. So on the one of my daughter under the shell, I wrote on the label, while at the mall, Kaya ran under the shell and said, take a picture. She's always asking me to take a picture. It just makes me laugh because she's 5, or she was 4 at this time. So I'm using the chipboard right now and I'm putting it on the top portion of this 3x4 card. And on the bottom of it, I wrote, even though Christmas is over, the kids continue to watch The Grinch. This is a family favorite. On the hello card, I wrote, I'm grateful for makeup that diminishes the discoloration and melasma on my face. Because without makeup, it's pretty scary. Yes, it is. Then on the last 3x4 card, I wrote, all 4 kids love watching YouTube. What I love is that Uni enjoys watching videos about science and he's always learning. And then I date stamp that as well. Then I go through the embellishments and see what I can use. I also bring the left side of the page onto the screen so we can take a look and see what it looks like all together. I go through the chipboard and I decide to put the Stay Focused chipboard on the picture of the kids' playroom because we do need to stay focused. That took us a long time. I look at the heart and decide not to use that. And then I use the pink chipboard that says Living in the Moment above my daughter's princess picture. And then I go through the stickers and I put the yellow sticker for the record on top of the YouTube screenshot. And I put Everyday Magic banner sticker on top of the Grinch picture. And then I use the asterisk puffy stickers and I put them throughout the spread. And I think I used 3 of them for the visual triangle. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.